Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the WNDFLV JN-088D to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the JN-088D Powerful Car Jumper Starter Portable provides 5,000 ampere peak current. Even in extreme temperatures from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or when the battery is very low, the built-in boost function automatically activates, starting 9.0-liter gas or 8.0-liter diesel engines and 12-volt vehicles up to 50 times in seconds, suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and SUVs. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the JN-088D battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, display, mode button, minus button, power button, light button, plus button. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.